is how we make a pond. I don't want my tail.
Oh, look at you go. I have to hire you here next. So snails need something hard that they can put their feet on to crawl around. Fish can just swim around.
Do they want to eat this?
Yeah,
I watched that
once you
fish.
put them in the pond, they'll connect to the walls and they'll start crawling around again.
Yeah. Well, what? I watched that fish.
Yeah, beta fish.
You can grab those and I'll grab the snails, okay? Say thank you.
Thank you.
You guys have a wonderful evening.
Wow.
Whoa, look at those. Exciting.
So, this is a video about pond. This is a pond. We have fishes in there. And the fishes right here. We have plants to hide in. We have a fountain. We put it in here. We hook it up to a house. We hook it up to a wire. And then we put this plant in here. And then we let the fish free and go. That's all. Push stuff at the hole. Drag around it. You know why? If you make it long, you have to find another place. So, look at your potato hump. Mine's in a little covey. That is bigger. That's good. Hello, I'm in a dig. So, look, I'm doing one more dig. And what's this? Huh, is it perfect? Yes. Can it fit in? Start your feet to make it nice and perfect. Hop out. Put it in. Just connect so it's this. Right. Is this right? So, next put the filter in. The next step is fill up with water. How do I put it in?
Well, you just set it right in there, actually. We have to take it off the plastic, though,
I
first.
don't know how to do it.
Okay.
Now we get to add a plant.
Be careful. Put it right on that ledge. Amazing. Okay, and you want to add your other plants?
Yeah.
You can just drop them right in.
It's too cold, huh? It's really too cold. It would die if we put it in. Huh, let's touch this water. Right, now, so this water is too cold. Add hot water to make it the perfect size. Yeah. Touched it.
How's it feeling?
Well, 2 more drops. The goldfish. They freeze in the winter. They come back in summer. Now they're super fast summer and they can swim like a jet. Because they go super fast and they're really fast in the jet swimmer fishing. I'm ready to put my fish in a grizzly barred pond.
You want to just dump them in?
My favorite part is getting them used to.
Oh, okay.
Because that's how you get your fish used to being in a wild.
Oh, okay.
Because you have to let them. Here's our orange fish. And here's our other fish called in